ரகசியம் ஒருவரது முயற்சியே. முயற்சியின்றி எடுத்த காரியத்தில் வெற்றி பெற இயலாது. எனவேதான் முயற்சியையும் ஆர்வத்தையும் ஒருங்கே கொண்ட எம் பள்ளி முதல்வர் திரு கே கணேஷ் அவர்களின் வரவேற்புரையில் நாமும் சிகரத்தை அடைவோமே.
Excellence is an art won by training and habitation. We do not act rightly because we have virtue or excellence, but we rather have those because we have acted rightly. We are what we repeatedly do, hence excellence then is not an act but an habit. With the grace of my Almighty, most respected chief guest of today's program, Sri Narayana Krishnan, Mr. Sendil Kumaran, Zealand Regional School Director Dr. Anju Nayak, Chairman, Secretary, Treasurer and Directors of Vale Educational Trust, respected parents, dear faculty members, friends, well-wishers and my dear beloved children. A warm hearty welcome to our annual day celebration, Mount Feast 2012-13. Desire is a key to motivation, but its determination and commitment to an unrelenting pursuit of your goal, a commitment to excellence that will enable you to attain the success you seek. We are indeed being delighted by the presence of Sri Narayana Krishnan for our Mount Fest 2012-13. I am being highly privileged to stand before you in giving this welcome address and proud to present you a small note about our chief guest. An invisible determination can accomplish almost anything, and in this lies the great destinations between the great men and the little men. All it takes is one moment to forever change you. This is Mr. Narayana Krishnan's story. With a degree in hand and a future in sight, Mr. Krishnan was on his way to be an award-winning chef at a 5-star restaurant in Switzerland. Mr. Krishnan was an award-winning chef with the Taj Hotels, Bangalore, and was shortlisted for an elite job in Switzerland. All it took to change his plans forever was a walk on the streets of his hometown of Madurai. After witnessing a distressing incident in 2002, he quits his job and began feeding the homeless and mentally disabled in his hometown. He said, "I saw a very old man literally eating his own human waste out of hunger. I went to the nearby hotel and asked them what was available. That they had idli and sambar, which I bought and gave to the old man. Believe me, I had never seen a person eating so fast. As he ate the food, his eyes were filled with tears. Those were the tears of happiness." Mr. Krishnan decided in this moment that helping this man and those indeed would be a life well lived, providing him the happiness and fulfillment he had yet to experience until this moment. Mr. Narayana Krishnan is a very humble man, just trying to bring a little comfort to people who simply struggle to survive. He is an inspiration to many and will continue to make this world a better place through his generosity and desire to change the world one step at a time. Mr. Krishnan founded his outfit Akshaya Trust in 2003, which helps to feed the homeless and mentally disabled people in Madurai. He serves breakfast, lunch and dinner to 400 people and elderly people in Madurai. He also provides haircuts and shave to give extra dignity to those he serves. He was selected as one of the top 10 CNN heroes of 2010 list. Everybody has got 5.5 liters of blood. I am just a human being. For me, everybody are same. What is the ultimate purpose of my life? It's to give. Start giving, see the joy of giving. These are the great powerful words of this great man which inspired me a lot. I kindly request everyone on the dais and off the dais to raise up and give a standing ovation as a mark of respect to this great man for his noble deeds, and he deserves it. Once again, I welcome you everyone to our Mount Fest 2012-13. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Mementos can never show the depth of one's love, but surely they can remind the valuable memories to be treasured in the eradication of time. I call upon our little angels to honor our chief guests.